How to remove payment method from Uber Eats app. Hi everyone, this is Alana from Create, Login and Delete. Let's jump right into the video. First of all, you want to head over to Play Store or App Store and on the search box, search for Uber Eats. Then you want to download and install this application on your device. Once it has been installed, tap on the Open button. Now tap on Continue. The first thing you want to do here is to log into your account. For that, you can either enter your mobile number or continue with your Google account, Apple account, Facebook account, or continue with email. Make sure to use the same method that was used while creating your account. Once you have been logged into your account, tap on the account option at the bottom right corner of your screen. Then from here, you want to tap on the wallet option. Over here, you can find all of your saved payments. It can include Venmo, credit or debit card, other health benefit cards, PayPal, gift card, CVS Pharmacy, or S3 health benefit cards. If you want to remove any of the payment method, you simply have to select that payment method and then click on the delete option. After that, it is going to ask you for the confirmation. Once you have given your confirmation, that payment method is going to be removed. However, sometimes you might not be able to remove that payment method, and it can be because that is the only payment method you have left. In that case, you want to add another payment method. For that, tap on the Add Payment Method option. Then from this list, you can basically choose any one. All you have to do is enter all the credentials associated with that payment method. And then after entering all the details, that payment method is going to be added. For credit or debit card, you will have to add your card number, your CVV number, expiration date, and the country you are from. After adding the payment method, your previous payment method can now be deleted. So go ahead and delete that payment method. And this is all you need to know about how you can remove the payment method from Uber Eats app. Please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.